In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see followers on Reddit. If you've ever wanted to check who's following your Reddit account, the good news is that it's very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find that section from your profile so you can quickly view your follower count without getting lost in Reddit's layout. To begin, go to Reddit. You can do this in your web browser by opening the Reddit website and making sure you're signed into the correct account. If you have more than one Reddit account, take a moment to confirm you're using the one you want to check, since followers are tied to each individual profile. Once you're on Reddit, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where Reddit keeps the account menu, along with shortcuts to profile-related options. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. Reddit occasionally updates its interface, but your profile icon is typically still located in the upper right area. After opening that menu, click View Profile. This will take you directly to your personal Reddit profile page, where you can see your posts, comments, and other public account details. This page is also where Reddit shows follower information for your account. Now, once you're on your profile, look over to the right side of the page. There, you'll see your followers. In most cases, Reddit displays the follower count in that side panel, making it easy to check how many people are following your account at a glance. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're viewing your own profile and not someone else's. It can also help to refresh the page or try using a desktop browser if you're on a mobile device, since some profile details may appear differently depending on the platform. And that's it. That's how to see followers on Reddit. As a quick recap, you go to Reddit, click your profile icon in the top right corner, select View Profile, and then check the right side of your profile page to find your followers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find your follower information on Reddit.